Hello there. Happy to see you tuned in. I guess you already know what this video is going to be about. Yes, we will tackle Alberta Auto Insurance. We're breaking down something every Alberta driver needs to understand: how auto insurance actually works in Alberta. If you're a newcomer, a new driver, or you just want to know what coverage you really need, this is your full, simple, step-by-step guide. 1. What auto insurance legally requires you to have in Alberta? Let's start with the basics. In Alberta, you must carry mandatory insurance coverage to drive a vehicle. You cannot register, plate, or legally operate your car without this. There are two mandatory coverages. 1. Third-party liability. This protects other people if you cause a crash. It covers damage to someone else's vehicle, injuries to other people, legal costs if you get sued. The minimum required by law is $200,000, but most Albertans choose $1 million or $2 million for better protection. 2. Accident benefits. This covers you and your passengers after a collision, regardless of fault. It includes medical treatments, rehabilitation, income replacement, funeral expenses, death benefits. Every Alberta insurance policy must include this coverage. 2. Optional coverages you can choose. These are the coverages that protect your own vehicle. They're optional, but most drivers choose at least one. Collision coverage. Pays to repair or replace your vehicle if you hit another vehicle, a curb, a pole, a fence, or roll your vehicle. If the crash is your fault, collision coverage saves you from paying thousands. You pay a deductible, usually $500 or $1,000, then insurance pays the rest. Comprehensive coverage covers damage that is not a collision, like hail, theft, vandalism, fire, glass breakage, falling objects, flood, wind damage. Again, you choose a deductible. Glass coverage, optional, because Alberta roads equals windshield chips every week. Covers windshield replacement, chip repair, door divided by side window damage. Some people buy a waiver of deductible so they don't pay anything for windshield replacements. Family Protection Endorsement, SEF 44. This is one of the most important add-ons. If you're hit by a driver with low coverage, SEF 44 tops up your coverage to protect you and your family. Almost every experienced Albertan driver buys this. 3. What full coverage really means in Alberta. People think full coverage is official. It's not. In Alberta, full coverage usually means liability, accident benefits, collision, comprehensive, but every insurer defines it slightly differently, so always check your policy. 4. How deductibles work. A deductible is the amount you pay out of your own pocket before insurance pays the rest. Example: your deductible $500, your repair bill $3,000. You pay $500 and insurance pays $2,500. Higher deductibles equals lower monthly premiums. Lower deductibles equals higher monthly premiums. 5. What affects your insurance price in Alberta? Your premium is based on several factors, including your age and driving experience, your driving history, your claims history, tickets or convictions, type of vehicle, where you live, annual mileage, use of vehicle, credit score, whether you have winter tires. Insurance companies use these factors to calculate risk. The higher the perceived risk, the higher the price. 6. Alberta's DCPD system. This system determines who pays for vehicle damage after a collision. In simple terms, if the crash is not your fault, your own insurer pays to fix your car. If the crash is your fault, you pay your deductible and your insurer repairs your vehicle if you have collision coverage. DCPD only works when both drivers have Alberta insurance. 7. What happens after a collision in Alberta? If you get into an accident, you must stop safely, exchange information, document damage, take photos, file a police report if damage is $2,000 plus, report the collision to your insurance provider. Your insurance company will then determine fault, explain your options, arrange repairs, assess whether the car is a total loss, apply your deductible if required. 8. Who regulates auto insurance in Alberta? Alberta's insurance industry is regulated by the Government of Alberta through AIRB approves rates, Superintendent of Insurance enforces laws, the Insurance Act sets rules, Fair Practice Regulation protects consumers. Insurers cannot raise prices or create new rules without government approval. I have a full video on this. Check that out after this one. 9. Key takeaways for Alberta drivers. Here's your quick recap. Alberta requires liability plus accident benefits. Collision and comprehensive protect your car. Deductibles affect what you pay. Alberta uses the DCPD system. Your driving habits and history affect your rate. Insurance companies are regulated. Full coverage simply means you added collision, plus comprehensive. Knowing these basics helps you save money and choose the right coverage. Alberta Registry Hub invites you to subscribe to the channel to see more informative videos. Hit the like if you learned something. And hey, comment below if you have any question, correction, or any input that can help Albertans. If you're a newcomer or new driver, stay tuned. I've got videos coming that will save you hundreds of dollars on your premiums. Thank you for watching.